Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Divya. Today we are going to explore into something not just trending but also timeless, the world of facial rollers and Gua Sha. You have probably seen rose quartz and jade rollers all over your feed on Instagram and Facebook. What do they actually do? Are they just pretty to look at or do they actually transform your skincare routine? So in this video, I will walk you through the benefits of each, from reducing the puffiness to sculpting your face and aiding in circulation, thereby creating a mindful skincare routine that you actually look forward to. We will also see the differences between these tones and what directions you have to use them and which one will benefit your skin. So whether you're curious, skeptical or already obsessed, make yourself a tea, get comfy and let's get into the glow. A jade roller is a handheld tool with a smooth jade stone on a rolling mechanism. Jade rollers may seem like the newest trend, but they actually have been used in the traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Wash your face and apply a layer of serum or moisturizer before you begin rolling. For extra cooling and reduction in swelling, it's recommended to store your roller in the refrigerator before use. Start rolling from the middle of the face and rolling outward across the cheeks. Since I have a dual-ended roller, I use the larger end for broader surfaces and the smaller end for more delicate areas. Rose quartz is a smooth rolling stone attached to a handle, allowing for a gentle gliding motion across the facial skin. As you gently roll it over your face, the stone works tirelessly to enhance the skin health and appearance. It's renowned for improving blood circulation, which in turn imparts a natural healthy glow to your complexion. Avoid rolling in different directions and using too much pressure. Start massaging your neck first and remember to clean the roller after every use. Gua Sha is a curved stone traditionally used in Chinese medicine for facial and body massage. Gua Sha works deeper in the skin since it creates friction. This friction releases facial muscle tension and improves lymph drainage. The result is a brighter, clearer complexion. Start from the neck and then begin scraping the tool upwards, moving from the chin to the nose and cheeks to the forehead. Facial rolling has many benefits like boosting the circulation, reducing inflammation, enhancing the lymphatic drainage, cooling the skin, and improving the product absorption. Rose quartz is a stone of love. It's durable, it contains natural minerals, it has anti-aging properties, and it's suitable for people with sensitive skin, and it's naturally cool even on contact. Whereas jade is a stone of luck. It's a semi-porous stone, so it may absorb the skincare products. This is a rose quartz roller I have been using. It's from Amazon. It's very travel friendly. It is dual-ended. This comes in a gift box. It's a great gift option for both men and women. It is suggested to wash this before and after use. The face and eye roller is sturdy and not squeaky. The massage roller is very smooth. It also comes with the Gua Sha tool. And this is the jade roller I have been using. It's from Amazon. It also comes in a gift box. This is 130 grams. It's little lighter compared to the rose quartz one. Rose quartz was 200 grams. This is also a travel-friendly option. So if you have been thinking about rose quartz, jade rollers or even Gua Sha, I would say go for it. It's a beautiful natural way to enhance your skincare routine and also to promote self-care. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section and feel free to reach me if you have any questions. This is me Divya signing off. Bye for now.